Type of chemical bond formed between sodium and chlorine? Well, if you looked on the periodic table, you would see that sodium is a metal and chlorine is a nonmetal. But even without looking at that, you know that those things that have one valence electrons, those the alkali family has the one valence electrons. And then the chlorine family has 7. Excuse me. It's not. It's the halogen family is where the chlorine is. They're over there right next to the noble gases on the periodic table, which has 8. So they're almost up to 8, but not quite. They're still missing one. So the metal and the nonmetal, they will transfer over. This guy will want to transfer his electron over there. And so this is going to be an ionic bond. Which type of atom would lose an electron? Well, of course, sodium would just lost its electron. Excuse me. Which atom would become a negatively charged ion? Well, you got to remember, electrons are negatively charged. And so originally they're neutral. Both of these guys are neutral. But when this extra negative charge comes over here to chlorine, it's got one more negative charge than it used to have when it was neutral. So now this becomes a negatively charged ion. So chlorine is going to be the negatively charged ion. And then which atom would gain an electron to become an ion? Well, we said chlorine gained the electron. We had sodium up here was losing the electron. And then which one become the positively charged ion? Well, sodium, because when that negative goes bye-bye, what's left behind, it's used to be balanced, but when I send a negatively charged ion away, now this guy over here has a net positive charge, +1 charge. They call those the oxidation numbers.